I'm going to show you how to make this DIY no-sew sock penguin by using a sock and stuffing and googly eyes. Okay, so let's get started. So with your black sock, you're going to use stuffing and stuff it. You can use stuffing like I'm using, or you can use rice or anything like that. Fill it up as full as you can get it. Now use a rubber band and close off the top. Use a rubber band around the center, which creates the top of the head and the body. Now I'm drawing around felt that I'm going to use for the white part of the body, and I'm cutting out a circle, like a medium-sized circle, twice, and the head part will be a little bit smaller than the body part. The felt has a sticky side to it, so I'm just sticking it on top of the head. And then the bottom part is for the body. And I'm just matching them up, cutting off the top. Now I have a sock for the hat that works perfectly with the red trim. I'm going to cut off the top about a couple inches off. I'm using a rubber band, and then I'll cut off the top part too for the hat. Now I'm going to cut for the scarf a long strip about 1.5 inches or so wide. I'm going to cut it again and then wrap it around the neck. Then I'm going to use another strip for part of the scarf to finish it. I am going to glue on some googly eyes. And then with construction paper I cut out a triangle for the beak, and now it's complete. You can create your penguin however you want. This is what it looks like when it's finished. Very cute for the holidays. Alright, so this is finished. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already.